friends, how art thou today? Doing pretty dandy myself. Got a very interesting video for you today, and I have a special guest star, Meow Yun, with a little bit of Luna-chan hanging out as well. So, today we are going to be having the privilege of unboxing another MunchPak. So, yeah. Today we're going to go through everything that's inside. We're going to see all the cool stuff that they have. We're going to eat it on camera. We're going to either love it, we're going to hate some of it, we're going to be indifferent, who knows. I remember last time we had it, there was some really good snacks, and then other times there were some crazy pickly things that weren't exactly my thing. Meow Yun quite enjoyed it.
Pretty good, I liked it.
And of course Luna-chan is indifferent as always. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Now, they did send this to me, so I am excited to work with them on this. And I'm working with getting a discount code thrown in there as well. So if you guys do like what you see, you can order the MunchPak and get all kinds of crazy snacks. So, let me dig in. The one thing I will throw out there right off the bat that I do love from them is, hopefully you can't see my address, kind of marked it out there, but, cover that up there. They title it perfect. If you look right here.
Go the other way. Yeah.
Joshua Meow. So, big kudos to them for putting the proper titleage. So, let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I was going to do a different video today. It was going to be a video game review, which I haven't done very often. But, this came in the mail, and I could not wait a week to get into it. So, without further ado, let's go inside and take a look, shall we? First things first, we're going to go ahead and just turn this around for you. So, special thank you to Nick, who created our box today. And there is some MunchPak connecciones you guys can make right there. So, yeah, thank you, Nick. I love the relaxed work environment. You also can't go wrong with the ice cream parties every Thursday. All right, Nick.
Talking about MunchPak.
Yeah, and
HQ.
his favorite snacks types are sweet, sour, and gummy. Well, I will give him that because I do enjoy gummies. So let's start to dig in here a little bit. All right. So we're gonna take inventory first of each particular product, and then we're gonna dig in one piece at a time. So the first thing we have, which I already think sounds fantastic, is Cheesa crackers. It's probably, are we looking at Korean snack probably here?
That's not Korean.
Is it? Are you sure?
That's Japanese.
Is it Japanese?
Yeah.
Alright. So it's Japanese.
It's a product of Japan.
Alright. And we got Burt's British hand-cooked potato chips, which are vintage cheddar and green onion. I think that
it's
could
all
be...
cheese.
I like it cheese. And we got churro snacks, which look to be cinnamon and multigrain, but yeah, cinnamon. What I really like about MunchPak, and it's crazy, is just how much stuff is still left in there. I have done other boxing with other products, and they're pretty cool, but I like having tons of stuff, not just like 4 or 5 items. So, moving on, we have the Mexican-style beef jerky, El Cecina Original. Alright, not too shabby.
Okay. It's Mexican style, but it's 100% American beef.
They traveled up here to kill the cow and they went back down to Mexico. Alright, so we also have Stroop waffles. That actually looks really freaking good.
I had those, actually.
Really? It says to warm it up on your cup. That's pretty snazzy.
Ew. What flavor is it, though? It's caramel. Soft toasted waffles filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla.
Ooh.
That's pretty good.
Well, that sounds alright, but these sound good. They are double dip Pepero sweet yogurt snacks. Another thing I love about this is that their snacks are just all over the place. These aren't things that you're just going to go to Wegmans, Walmart, Target, and buy these random snacks.
They're from around the world.
Oh, they're all from around the world. Now, you might find some of the grocery stores because they have like different cultural sections and whatnot. But you get so many different kinds here, which is crazy.
These look good. They're like, they look like Taki or something.
Yeah, I'm going to be pretty excited about this next one. Giant crunchy Kit Kat bar, and it's New York cheesecake. That sounds freaking amazing. So she loves Kit Kat.
Kit Kat is my favorite.
Oh man, look at all this freaking stuff, man. It's still going. Nestle Drifter here. I don't know what the heck that is, but so far everything's sounding really good. Nothing too funky. Oh, thank God.
What is it? Drifter.
I don't know what this is because I think this is Korean, actually. Yeah, this is definitely Korean. These appear to be some sort of gummies.
Is that a shrimp?
Oh, God. No, I think it's a worm. It's a worm.
Oh, it's a worm.
But I think those are gummies, but if you look at the back, that's definitely Korean.
That's Korean.
Yeah. A lot of circles in Korean.
Product of Korea.
Or you can just look at the bottom, yeah. Alright, and then we have lemonade chews, possibly?
Oh, that's the Crown. That's from the gummies that my cousin got.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are really good, actually. And then I know I've already had these because I've been to the Asian supermarket, so I knew they were good. So I'm going to try them for posterity, of course. So, bam! Lumberjacks!
Oh,
These things are so good.
Those are good.
Yeah. And last but not least, you get a drink. This is a pineapple grapefruit Lilt.
Oh.
Totally.
Light. Is it light?
No, that's not. Lilt.
Lillet?
Lillet? I don't know. What do you guys think?
Lillet?
That's pretty good, actually.
L-I-L-L.
So, buy more of your favorite snacks from MunchPak Snacks Scanner app, or visit us online at munchpak.com/shop. So you see all kinds of like information, and they're in incredibly cute box as well. So that is pretty exciting. So again, thank you MunchPak for hooking us up with that.
Oh,
and yes,
I was gonna say it's Lilt.
Lilt. Oh, okay, like Lilt.
It's made by Coca-Cola. Well, it's a product of the Coca-Cola company.
So I'm gonna start with the worms first because I like gummies. Those happen to be my favorite. So let's rip these bad boys open. Oh yes, they look good. Oh, they smell weird though. What do you think, Lou?
Let me see. 30%. What is that? 30% something. They smell good.
What is that? So yeah, you guys can kind of see in there a little bit. Yeah. That's really good.
It's good. It doesn't smell weird at all. It smells like fruit.
Now, as we're chomping this down, this is just going to be the chomping phase, obviously. Wow, this is really good, actually. MunchPaks, if you go online, you order from their website, they have tons of different, or they have multiple different box types. You can get the smallest one or the largest, and the price points they vary across the sizes. I will put the box sizes and the product types and the prices and all that stuff in the description for you. You guys can check them out as well, but these are really good. And you can obviously customize your stuff as well. Those are pretty awesome.
They're good.
I love gummies, so I knew that was going to be good.
Let's try these. I want to try these Pocky looking things.
Alright.
Yogurt Pocky.
Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that. Two different things there. Alright. Open these bad boys up. Ooh.
You immediately smell it.
Heck yeah.
Ow.
Yeah?
It smells pretty good. Oh, you got a broken one. You can eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat the broken one. No, I want this one.
That's really rich.
I was gonna say it doesn't have much flavor. It's kind of sweet, but it's not. It tastes like white chocolate more than it tastes like yogurt.
That's a really good point, actually.
You know what I mean? They're all broken. I like the biscuit part better than the actual like yogurt covered part.
Ain't bad. Well, just so you guys know, we're not wasteful people. We're gonna be opening everything up, but we're gonna be eating it. Oh yeah, for sure. And we're gonna eat them. Next few days. Got a movie. We're gonna see Pacific Rim tonight, part 2. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right, what else we got here?
These are the cheese crackers from Japan.
All right, rip those bad boys up.
This comes with a little zipper seal.
Maybe we should drink some of this to palate cleanse.
I don't think you're gonna like that.
Well, let's find out.
What Luna's doing back there. Ooh, they smell cheesy.
Ooh, that ain't bad, actually.
They smell cheesy, like stinky feet cheesy.
Oh, man. It smells like Meow Yun's feet after a day of work. Just kidding.
Ooh, these are good. These are really good.
Oh,
They're like a way better Cheez-It.
Cheez-It, you go, man. That's really good. Have some palate cleanse. It's actually pretty good.
Pineapple grapefruit.
Ah. Holy crap, that's good.
Oh, this is good. This is good. And it's from the UK, so they have real sugar, not high fructose corn syrup.
I don't care. All right, so
I care.
We'll cut down. So these are pretty common, so we're not going to try these on cameras just because of time, you know, whatnot it's going to go. So we're going to cut down the side. But these are actually really good. I can tell you that right off the bat.
It's just chocolate crackers, right?
Yeah, pretty much. All right, so let's get into some of these more savory snacks here. Let's go with let's get this nearby, shall we? Palate cleanse, you know. Let's go with these Burt's British Ham chips here. I don't smell much.
I don't smell anything. It smells like potato.
Hmm. Woo! Owie. I got a cut on my mouth recently. Just sliced right on my lip here, so these burn!
I don't really like these.
No.
They don't have a lot of flavor.
I think I would pass on the Burt's British Ham cooked potato chips, vintage cheddar and green onion. They taste like a much weaker version of the Lay's sour cream and onion cheddar chips, so I'm gonna pass on those. I will still eat those.
Probably less artificial than the Lay's kind, since it's from.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, so the next one we're gonna open up here is these guys right here.
Churros. Churros made in, where are these from?
They are from
Korea.
Korea.
We're getting a lot of Korea stuff.
Yeah, we got a lot of Korea. I got some Japanese too. Look, the bag is weird
There's
though.
3 Korea things. Korean.
Look at the bag on the top there.
Oh yeah, it's sealed on
it's
the
got
side.
A rotate here, so you gotta like just slice it.
Oh,
right.
you gotta open it on the side. Look.
Yeah, right.
No, see, like the seal's right here.
Oh, you
You
crazy!
gotta open it like that.
You crazy Koreans.
Whoa.
Oh.
How do they? Oh, they smell good. You got those like a lot of cinnamon though.
Wow, what's it look like?
They look like
Little churros. You know what? They taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch without the milk.
less cinnamony though. These aren't as cinnamony.
Or the Taco Bell twists.
I was gonna say they seem like they're similar to the Taco Bell.
So you're gonna copy me again?
No.
There's those. Wow, this video is getting long. We gotta bust through. All right.
Let's try beef jerky. I don't think it's gonna be too much of a. It's just jerky. We'll try something else. Let's try this.
If you guys are genuinely curious about things that we didn't try, I spit a little piece of a little churro. If you guys are curious that we tried anything, you know, you're like, oh, how was it? Throw in the comments. I'll let you know how it was. Thought you were gonna go on that Kit Kat bar.
What is this? Crisp wafer dipped in chewy caramel and covered in milk chocolate.
Let me get the little piece.
Sounds like a Twix.
Does sound like a Twix. Oh. It's like a Twix.
Not like a Twix though.
It's a Twix with a wafer. I don't like it. It's got that weird like UK chocolate. It's kind of like a weird, not milk creamy, not sweet enough. Not for me.
I like it. I don't like the rest of it though.
Dang, I ain't got cooties. All right, so let's open this bad boy up here, this Kit Kat, and then maybe end it with this lemonade guy here. All right. Wow.
That's a big old Kit Kat.
That's weird how they do that. See inside there?
Little cross section. What do you think?
Well, that's rich. Woo! Woo! That's so rich. Not for me. All right. I mean, it's good. It's
I
really.
like the old originals. Original Kit Kat.
All right.
Is that from the U.S.?
This?
No, yeah, the Kit Kat.
That is from. Not the U.S. for sure.
Let me see.
Oh my. All right, she's gonna open that up. I'm gonna rip in one last thing, which is this guy right here, and that is from. This is Korean, so from that Crown company. they have a lot of different kind of fruit chew candies that we get all the time. So I've never had this flavor though, and wow, that's strong. So we're gonna take a quick look here. All right. So this time, not too many crazy flavors. I want to say nothing weird or nothing that made me like
there wasn't
flip
too
out.
weird. Not like that weird potato or pickle thing.
Yeah,
the
so
pickle thing was weird.
Nice packing, Nick.
Was that sarcasm or really you think it was nice packing?
Nice packing, Nick. Hey, good job. Next time, give me more gummies though. Ooh, ooh, that's good. Woo. It's lemonade. Yeah, so that's actually really good. So a couple of these we're not going to have time to try because we're already at like 15 minutes and probably like 75% of you checked out already. So this guy right here, beef jerky, and a few other things. But,
oh, good.
This is really good.
Oh, it's like a, what's that called? Starburst?
Yeah, like a Starburst.
Starburst, Starburst, yeah. For some reason that sounded wrong when it says Starburst.
Yeah, so other than that, really, really good pack. Again, thank you for MunchPak for letting us check that out. We might be doing a monthly MunchPak instead of a monthly Loot Crate, where our special guest star, Meow Yun, will come in and help me try different things. She is here for posterity, because I have terrible taste buds, and typically candy and chocolate is always good for me, but other weird things I will not eat. So, other than that, I am salivating like crazy, so, woo, that is so hard to talk.
It's getting sour.
That is getting real sour. It's good, though. It's really good. But, thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Next week, I'm going to have a video reviewing a video game that doesn't have a lot of reviews out there, but it's actually really, really fun, and is very retro, so stay tuned for that. And we will try to be doing this once a month, possibly. And if you guys have any questions about any of the things that we tried today, toss it in the comments. I'll answer all those for you. And you guys have yourself a dandy day, Meow.